Over the past 100 years, a lot has changed, and that certainly includes the vehicles people drive, the tires on them, and the tools used to maintain and keep cars and trucks functioning properly and safely. One thing that hasn't changed? Ken Tool's dedication and commitment to providing the most modern and reliable tire service tools in the world. For a century, Ken Tool has been the leading manufacturer of tire service tools, maintaining a constant focus on adapting to technological changes that are constantly occurring in the world of tire repair. Ken Tool's history began in 1920, when John A. Kennedy, self-proclaimed tire-changing champion of the world, invented the Pacific Rim tool. This revolutionary tire-changing tool, endorsed by the B.F. Goodrich Company, began selling to garages and tire shops throughout the country. Kennedy later on made contact with John Lytle, owner of the Rittman Tool and Forge Company in Rittman, Ohio. Kennedy convinced Lytle to join him, and in the late summer of 1938, the Ken Tool Company was formed. Many changes and developments occurred within the next few decades. The 40s brought World War II and new challenges as U.S. industry geared up for the war effort. During the war, Ken Tool developed a special tool to remove tires from the rims of B-29 bombers. As the 40s ended, Ken Tool also prospered. With the company's continued focus on the development and introduction of more tire-changing tools, supported by a strong market presence at national and regional trade shows, as well as innovative promotional and merchandising activities, Ken Tool began to rapidly capture market share and soon became the dominant supplier in the marketplace. Even after being acquired in 1966 by Cooper Industries and then being subsequently sold by Cooper in 1974, Ken Tool persisted. The company was put on the market and sold to Warren Tool Corporation in Warren, Ohio, a small, privately owned manufacturer of vices, clamps, and heavy striking tools. In 1994, all Warren Tool operations were sold, leaving Ken Tool as an entirely independent company, and that is where we stand today. A lot of change has occurred within Ken Tool over the years, from its beginning with the innovative Pacific Rim tool, through a variety of product lines, affiliations, and ownerships. But throughout that period, its longtime slogan, "Wherever tires are changed," has held true. We look forward to the next 100 years.